This conference will now be recorded.
Hello, welcome to the Pontum how-to videos. My name is Patrick. This session covers the new Form W-4 from the Internal Revenue Service that will make accurate withholding easier for employees starting in 2020. The revised form implements changes made following the 2017 Tax Cuts and Jobs Act, which made major revisions affecting taxpayer withholding. To accommodate the new Form W-4, the Pontum PR program has upgraded the Manage Employees W-2 and W-4 tab on the Taxes and Deductions view. Let's take a look at the new workspace. We start by opening the Pontum Payroll program and going to the primary task box in the upper left-hand corner. We'll come down and click on Manage Employees. Once there, we want to select the employee to take a look at. Then we come over to the View tab over on the left-hand side and come down and click on the Taxes and Deductions link. This takes us to the W-2 and W-4 tab. On here, you will notice the new fields for the new W-4 from the IRS. To input information, we need to click the Edit Employee button up at the top to unlock the record. Once there, we can activate the new fields by clicking the checkbox next to the new W-4. The fields here correspond with those on the new Form W-4. The To Jobs table checkbox is selected if on the W-4 the Step 2C checkbox is selected. Then we can come down and the claim dependence matches up with the Step 3 box. The Other Income box matches up with the Step 4A amount, and we simply type the exact amount that they have in there. The same with the Other Deductions. That matches up with the Step 4B. Now, for an amount in Step 4C, we use the Additional Withholdings grid over here on the other side. To add an amount in here, I can simply click in the box and a new row is added. I need to select the pay type that I'm doing the additional withholding for. That will be the federal withholding. And then in the amount field, I type in the exact amount that they put in Step 4C. I need to make sure and leave the percent fixed box at 0 and make sure the Replace checkbox is blank. We also need the Active checkbox to be marked. Once this information is input, we can click the Save button. This input is now inputted for the employee's federal income tax withholding calculations moving forward. Another field that has been added to accommodate the new W-4 is on our pay types. We come over here and we go to the federal withholding pay type, and on our tax info tab, you will notice that down here we have the W-4 married exemption allowance amount and the W-4 other exemption allowance amount. These fields are set based on information provided from the IRS in Publication 15T. This information will be updated whenever the IRS updates it via our annual updates. I can close this. And to see the report where employees' W-4 information can be found, we'll go up to Reports at the top. We're going to come down to the Employee category. And then we're going to come down and select the Employee W-4 Taxes Report. And select the OK button. We want to have all of our employees displayed, so we're going to leave the filter just as it is and click the OK button. We do not need a report notation, so we will leave this field blank as well and click the OK button. On here, you will notice that we do have some new fields here, a new line of information that says W4. Underneath the new W4, you'll see I have a check mark here. Underneath my two jobs, I do have the check mark there as well, or the X. Underneath my state exemptions, you'll see where I have my other income listed. Underneath my federal exemptions, you'll see and that's the old federal exemptions. The other deductions is listed down here. And then underneath my local exemptions, you have the dependence amount. Down here underneath the additional withholding line, you do have the federal withholding along with the amount from the line 4C or step 4C and the active check mark. That concludes the new changes to the Ponham payroll program to accommodate the new IRS Form W4, which goes into effect in 2020. If you have any questions or need additional assistance, we invite you to go to the Overview tab here and create a support request. This will put you online, and we will get back in touch with you and take care of your support needs and answer your questions at that time. This concludes our session today. Until next time, have a great day.